Hi everyone! Today, we're taking on a simple cooking challenge, making the perfect omelette. Let's get started. Here's what you need: 3 eggs, salt, pepper, butter, and your choice of fillings like cheese, herbs, or veggies. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Be careful not to drop any shell bits. Now, whisk them well. You want the yolks and whites fully combined. Let's go! Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it again. Yum! Time to heat the pan. Put it on medium-low heat. It's crucial not to burn the eggs. Add a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt and coat the pan evenly. Pour the eggs into the pan. Swirl it around to spread evenly. This is the base of our omelette. Let the eggs cook for a minute. Use a spatula to lift the edges. This helps the uncooked eggs flow underneath. Time to add our fillings. I'm using cheese and some chopped herbs. You can get creative here. Now, gently fold the omelette in half. Look at that beautiful color. Let it cook for another minute until slightly golden. Almost there. Now, carefully slide it onto a plate. Ta-da! Add a sprinkle of herbs for that professional touch. Looks great, right? Time for the taste test. Let's see how we did. And there you have it. A perfect omelette made simply. Try it at home and impress your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your omelette photos with us. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more challenges.